This is my channel, Chef's Designs, and I'm Cheyenne. I started this business because I wanted to stay home with my babies and make money while doing that. I'm here to breathe life back into furniture and make beautiful pieces affordable again. I'm actually super excited about this piece because I bought it specifically for my home. I have a tiny half bath, and because of the way that it's set up, I have not been able to find a big enough or thin enough cabinet to fit in there so that it can fit all the things that I need. It's taken me a while to find it. So I'm really excited about this one, and I get to try a few new techniques on this one as well. So I hope that you stick around. Let's get started. To open up this video, we have a single door bath cabinet here with a cute little drawer at the bottom. I picked this piece up for $20 and I'm so excited because I picked this out for my own tiny half bath that I have truly been looking for. It's the perfect size, perfect shelf amount, and a little drawer for anything that I might want to hide, and I love it. To start this furniture flip, I used Crud Cutter to clean this piece up. This piece was basically in perfect starting condition, so I didn't have to do anything to it to be able to start painting and covering with the wallpaper. That actually saved me a ton of time. This actually turned out to be the perfect piece to accomplish while my baby was taking her nap, which was a super plus. I do have a huge piece in my garage that is taking up a ton of space, so I ended up having to do this flip on a moving blanket in the half bath where the piece will end up after it is flipped. After cleaning this piece, I moved on to tackling the peel and stick wallpaper. I have never used peel and stick wallpaper before, and I just kind of followed the directions and kind of took my own intuition on it as well. I've heard great things about this brand from Target, so I was excited to use it. This wallpaper stuck really well and ended up being a pretty easy thing to apply after I got into the rhythm because I didn't want any bubbles, and I was finding it tough the first way I tried it, where I didn't have my feet anchoring the piece, so it was just moving around a lot. I used a wooden popsicle stick to help me attach this paper so I didn't accidentally tear or stretch the paper, which I did hear was a big thing that happens with peel and stick wallpaper. The combination of the amazing product and using the wooden popsicle stick worked great, and I would highly recommend it. After I finished wallpapering the back piece, I went back to the cabinet and I started painting it with my chalk paint. You don't actually have to scuff sand or anything when you're using chalk paint, which is perfect because I couldn't do this piece outside and I wanted the least amount of debris as possible. The chalk paint I made came out really runny because I wanted a more weathered look, because that is the theme of the leaves in my half bath, and I want them to complement each other. After completing the paint job, I attached my back wallpapered piece back to the back to complete the stabilization of the piece so that I can add my glass insert back and the knobs back onto the piece. After applying the back, I then sealed my paint with my favorite wax coat by Magnolia, and that really helped bring some of the original color of the piece through, making it look more weathered in the end, which I loved. I kept the original knobs because I thought they were super cute and I wanted to keep the cost down. I sprayed the knobs with a pure gold all-in-one spray paint and in a matte finish. I just love the matte finish. I like the simplistic look of it and the high-end final result it always gives me. Wow, look at that finish! literally the perfect size. I love it paired with everything that I already had in this space, and keeping it simple up top with some fresh greens and storing just the things that I previously had either in different closets around the house or on the floor, and now it's stored in this perfect little cabinet makes me so happy. So, what do you think? I love it so much. It's a little bit distressed, just the way I wanted it, because I wanted it to go with the leaves that I have hanging up already, and it is a nice neutral color to go with my soft cool gray wall color, and it's just, I feel like it's perfectly me. Neutral, simple, but also a little bit of fun with the wallpaper. So I hope you guys like it and learned a lot from this video. This flip cost me $30 total. I spent $20 for it up front, and I spent another $10 on the little bit of wallpaper and the paint and the top coat that I used on it. And I used all of the original hardware and knobs, so I didn't spend any money there. I would say that's pretty good compared to the typical cabinets that I see in the stores at Home Goods and Target and everything, and they're upwards of $150 to $200. So I'd say that the perfect cabinet for my bathroom, and the fact that it only cost me $30, is a steal. Yep. Anyways, I hope that you guys like it. Things to look forward to. I am struggling to find extra help, and because I didn't expect to be out of help for this long, I didn't sign her up for any daycares locally. So she is on a few wait lists, and unfortunately because of her age, she is months away from going in. So I'm having to mend this channel a little bit so that I can do a few more things with my baby and my newbie to come. So that being said, I am starting to nest for my sweet babies. I not only want my newbie to be fully prepared for, but I also want my first loving, amazing, independent, and intelligent daughter to know that we love her so much, and to help her 2-year-old brain realize that she's not being replaced, or that more attention is going to the newbie. I don't want any resentment. I want her to love her new baby sister as much as we will. So I'm trying every single way to mend that bridge before we get to it. So I am actually going to design a room specifically for my 2-year-old instead of a nursery for my new baby. This place for my firstborn is going to create a chaos-free, special, and safe place just for her. I have some great ideas, some new techniques, and some great before and afters for you guys so that you can follow along. And I think I'm going to do her bathroom as well, because it is the same gray that every other room is in my entire house, because it is Build-A-Grade. So that is going to keep this adventure going. I'm excited to see it all come together, because right now it's just a giant pile in a closet. So stick around and let's go see it. Thank you so much for bearing with me week after week and spending this time with me and coming on so many adventures and so many more to come. If you enjoyed this video or happen to learn something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this and some new content that is a new branch of flipping, and I am so excited for it because it fulfills my nesting needs and my flipping needs. I post every Sunday morning at 8 a.m. I hope to see you then.